What is up, guys? Welcome to today's tutorial. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this sliced text. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Right, so I'm going to create a new document. Let's use A5 and landscape. And let's make our background. So I double click on the rectangle, so that automatically creates a rectangle around the page. So I'm just gonna fill that red. Good. And next up, we want to put in our text. So I'm just gonna type sliced here and just scale it up some. And I want to change the font to a bold font, so I'm gonna use can we use this? Let's use Arial black. Good. I'm going to move it in a little, clicking on the shape tool and dragging in. That's good. Now, next thing I'm going to do here is to slice the text. And to do that, I'm going to use the knife tool. And the knife tool can be found under the crop tool, as you can see here. And so I select the knife tool. So remember, the object or the text in this case needs to be selected first. Then this is what we're going to use to slice, our text into two. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this text and adjust some, so I can rotate it here to maybe 4, maybe let's use 35 degrees. No, that's too much. Let's use 15. Let's use 8. Let's use 6. Right, I think I like this. It's at 6 degrees. Now I'm gonna use the knife tool to slice the text. So I click on the knife tool. Remember, it can be found under the crop tool. So we have crop, knife, eraser tool. So select the knife. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice this text across. So what I want to do is hold shift. So what I want to do is click and drag, holding shift down to constrict my movement and release. Now you notice that the text has been separated into two, as you can see here. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move with the top part selected. I'll move it a little to the right, and there we have our text sliced. So next up we're going to do is going to fill the text white. You could have it in 2 different colors if you like. And to the one on the top we have it selected, and we're going to add a gradient. So we click on the interactive fill tool, and then we just apply a fountain fill. Now on the bottom color, we're going to make it red also, which is good. And we'll adjust our interactive fill. So I can take this down some, and I think this is good. Let me see. Right, let's just get this way. So here you have it. We have our sliced text, and you can have this printed in a shirt and it look just nice. Anyway guys, so that's it. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys later. And please don't forget to leave a like if you did enjoy this video. It helps me know that you love contents like this, and so I can make more. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.